Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a delicious baking recipe for some cupcakes. This has a little bit of a sad backstory because my family wanted to come visit me, but then my mom got sick so they couldn't come. So I made these for myself still because I had all the ingredients at home and they turned out really delicious. You want to start out with some cream cheese, butter and sugar in a bowl. And then you want to add the peel of half a lemon, as well as 2 eggs, and then mix that really well. Next, you want to go ahead and add the flour, and the exact measurements are down below the video. And you also want to add some baking soda and then just mix it in barely, just, the shortest amount of time, just so it's all combined. Then you want to take your baking pan, and I used these little silicone things. So you want to fill your dough into them, and then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And this was only enough dough for like 9 cupcakes, so that was a bit weird. Then you want to let them cool down, and you want to use some butter and some cream cheese, as well as powdered sugar, and the rest of the peel of the lemon. And you want to mix that until you get a frosting. This took a little bit of time, but I prefer doing it by hand. And then you just want to use a knife to frost these muffins, and then you can store them in the fridge until you present them. I also had the frosting in the fridge for 15 minutes before I did this step, and that really helped with it staying on the muffins nicely. So I hope you give this a try. I really enjoyed this recipe. I think they're very delicious, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!